Now it is said that the pen is mightier than the sword. And this pen, well, it certainly isn't too shabby, being the Rite in the Rain mini bolt action pen, all weather FDE here. However, I have found something even more powerful. Only the penitent man shall pass. Well, hello there, gentlemen, and welcome to Gentleman's Caddy. My friends call me Junior. Now, I've been in the market for a new pen, considering I lost my old field pen off the roof of a 4-story building. It went straight into a full construction dumpster, and it's gone. That's what I get for lending my pen to some floozy there. Now, I'm in design and construction, design build to be more precise there, and I need something that can handle a little bit of concrete dust, some sawdust, gypsum dust, well, just about every dust imaginable there. And then there's water, of course. And I need something that isn't going to break the bank if I lose it or it gets damaged there on the job site, as just happened to me. I don't want to go crying the blues about losing a fancy high-dollar pen. So nothing fancy is required. I just need something that gets the job done for this here particular task. Now, coming in at $18, I thought I would give this here Rite in the Rain all-weather mini bolt action pen a go. Now, this does come also in a 2-pack as well for $28 there, with 2 pens, one in FDE and one in a green color there. But I just went ahead and got the one for now to see if it meets my high standards. Now, this here, before I opened the package here, it was partially opened. That's what I get for buying something on eBay, but every once in a while something like that happens. Some of these extra features I didn't realize. Actually, is a pressurized cartridge, and it also writes upside down, which is a nice add-on there. And that does have a triangular barrel grip, and of course it writes in any weather. And I've been familiar with Rite in the Rain products in the past. Actually, someone did give me a Rite in the Rain little notebook. Now, you can use this for writing, obviously, in any weather condition there. But the only pen that works in conjunction with this here fella is this here. Is a Rite in the Rain pen product here. You can use a pencil that also works too. Now, some other features here I did see in the back here. It's a 0.9 millimeter fine point, brass tip here, triangular grip, durable barrel, which I'm assuming is a polymer. We'll take it out and look there. And a bolt action. Anytime I hear bolt action, it just tickles my fancy. Now, this has a burly tooth clip, a pocket clip there, and a lanyard hole there. Now, if you watch some of my other videos, you know that when Junior sees a hole, well, I go ahead and fill it. But I'm talking about lanyard holes. So this here is designed primarily to be used in conditions that are less than ideal, dirty and wet there. Now, this is also in black ink. So let's go ahead and open this here. So this is a small pen, and it is marketed as being so. It's marketed as a mini bolt action pen, and it looks like to be less than 5 inches here. Let's see here. About 4 3/8 here. So yeah, less than 5. So it's nice and small. It's very nice for everyday carry purposes. It'll just, float away there in the pocket. So it does have a polymer body here. With the brass tip, they're saying. Now the bolt action here, let's go ahead and engage this here. Me being right-handed here. That's nice. Actually, you don't have to engage the entire thing, the entire travel of the bolt here. You could just essentially let it do its thing there. Just engage to whatever direction you're going here. So that works very nice. Very nice indeed. It works very nice. It's a little too thick. Nice little pocket clip here. Yeah, that's going to work very nice indeed. Seems sturdy enough, considering it's polymer here. As we're all familiar with polymer products, everything's being made these days in polymer, it seems. So let's see, let's put this here fella to the test here. Well, it writes well enough, it flows very well. Now, I also carry a pencil out on the job site, so it's also very nice to have a pen as well. Now, as I said, this is the only type of pen, the Rite in the Rain product, that would work with the Rite in the Rain notebook or sketchbook here, if you want it to be all weather there. So, that said, when I'm out in the field there, I'm usually doing quick measurements there with an architecture or engineering scale. Sometimes with a little ruler here, a mini ruler. Nothing too sophisticated there on the job site. Don't get too crazy there. If I'm just doing a quick check on a drawing or so, what have you. And if you're looking for these scales as well, you could find them from our new sponsor, the Ozark line. This is the only place that you can find these everyday carry architecture and engineering scales. It's one of the primary reasons I decided to go ahead and market for them, because it actually was a game changer for me, because no one else had them. And being interested in the everyday carry world there, it's nice to see that someone finally came out with something like this. And for everyone else, there are mini rulers available as well, which are very nice out in the go. You'd be surprised how many times I've used these here, fellas. So yeah, when I'm out in the field, if I'm doing a quick check there on a drawing or what have you, it's nice to have. And if I'm doing a quick sketch, even so, it's nice as well. So that being said, it works very nice indeed. So what I usually will go ahead and do is usually take about a week, two, perhaps a month, or even longer sometimes, to go ahead and get some pocket time with a particular item before I give it the go-ahead and decide whether it'll be pocketed or if I decide to pack it. Well, gentlemen, it's been about 2 weeks or so here with some use with the Rite in the Rain mini bolt action pen here in FDE. Now, something I learned in that time is that actually there are refillable cartridges available for this fella. Hopefully it sticks around long enough for me to actually refill it before it gets lost or damaged there on the job site. But overall, it's worked out very fantastic. The ergos are very nice and has some nice grip here, right on the frame here, on the body of the cartridge here of the pen. So that works very nice in hand. So the bolt action is fantastic for single action use. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Gentleman's Carry, and please smash that there like button. Smash it nice and hard, as it tells YouTube you like this here gentleman's work. So overall, I'm going to be pocketing this here fella. It just checks all the box for me. Nice pocket clip here. I haven't filled that there lanyard hole. If you're saying, Junior, you got to fill that hole there. Well, I'm not sure exactly what I would put on it, but I don't think I've ever put a lanyard on a pen though. We'll see. So other than that, it's been great for field use where the conditions are less than ideal, and it's worked out great there with the Rite in the Rain notebook here, being the only pen in conjunction with these two that can work for all-weather use there. Now, I do carry a pencil, or a series of pencils as well in different colors, but it's nice to have a pen in conjunction with some pencils there on the job site there. Now, with that all being said, have a great day or night, whenever and wherever you are. Thanks for watching, gentlemen. In the fields of architecture, engineering, design, and construction, precision is paramount. Professionals often find themselves in situations where having the right tools at their disposal can significantly impact their work efficiency and accuracy. Arc carry and civil carry were conceived from the recognition of a common challenge faced by architects, engineers, builders, drafters, fabricators, and suppliers: the need for a portable and accessible scow. Now consider the scenario of ascending to the roof of a building with the roof plan in hand, only to realize that you left your scow in the car. Well, that's been me countless times. Such moments can lead to unnecessary delays and inaccuracies in measurements. This highlights the importance of having a reliable and easily transportable measuring device. Now, Arc Carry is designed as the only 3-inch everyday carry wallet-sized scow on the market. This innovative design ensures that professionals are never caught without a scow. And for everyone else, well, the Ozark line has a variety of rulers to stay accurate on the go. Head on over to Ozark Line, an exclusive partner with Etsy, at etsy.com/shop/Ozark Line, where you'll find a wide array of unique tools and gifts for design professionals on the go you won't find anywhere else.